today's video, I'm going to answer a question that I get a lot, and that's how to create spaces in your Instagram captions. If you're new here, hi, I'm Louise of solopreneurs.sidekick.com. I put out new videos every single week all about making the tech in your online business easier. So if that is something that you would like some help with, make sure that you hit subscribe down below and that you hit that little bell icon so you get notified every time I post something new. So the way that we're going to do this is with my favorite Instagram app, Plan. Plan allows you to schedule all of your Instagram posts in advance, but it actually does so much more. I met Plan's founder, Christy, when I was living in Sydney. She introduced me to the app, and I've been using it ever since, and we've become really good friends as well. All right, so here's how you create line spacing in your Instagram captions. It's insanely easy, and Plan does everything for you. Okay, so you're going to open the app Plan, and as you can see, my Instagram feed is already displayed. To add a new photo, all you need to do is click the plus sign at the top, and then device, and I'm going to find the photo that I want to add. All right, once you've found that, just click done. And now to write your caption, you're just going to click on your photo, and you'll see a section down here to write your caption. So I'm going to write the first line of my caption, and then whenever you want a space, you're just going to hit return twice. So as you can see, I have that first line, then I have the next line, and it has a nice space in between them. I'm gonna do it one more time, so just hitting return twice. So it's super, super simple. So I did write a caption before this that I actually want to post, so let's delete this one, and then I'm going to paste in my caption that I have ready. So once you're done writing your caption, just hit done, and then copy and post. So this is going to automatically copy it over to Instagram. You're going to click feed. Okay, great. Then next, next again, and to add in your caption, all you need to do is double tap on the caption area and hit paste, and that is going to paste the caption in. And as you can see, all the line spaces have been copied over as well. Then you're going to hit share. All right, let's go take a look at how that looks. And as you can see, all of our lines are nicely spaced out, which makes it much easier to read. All right, guys, so that's how you create spaces in your Instagram captions. So nice and easy. I'm going to leave a few links for you down below. The first is to go and download the Plan app, and the second is to get on their waitlist because Plan Web is coming out soon. I'm so excited. I don't know about you, but I type way faster on my laptop than I do on my phone, so that is going to be a really helpful tool for us. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon with another video.